How to manage prediabetes and prevent type 2 diabetes. Prediabetes can feel concerning, but it's a wake-up call, a chance to take charge and prevent more serious health challenges like type 2 diabetes. By making small, intentional lifestyle changes, you can take back control and build habits that protect your health for the long run. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know: dietary strategies, exercise tips, monitoring blood sugar, and how to talk to your doctor. Prediabetes is a condition where your blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but not yet high enough to be classified as type 2 diabetes. It's often a warning sign that your body isn't processing sugar effectively, which could lead to full-on diabetes without intervention. The good news: prediabetes is reversible. With a few consistent changes to your diet, movement habits, and health monitoring, you can significantly reduce your risk. Early action puts the power in your hands, allowing you to prevent complications like nerve damage, heart disease, or kidney issues that can arise from type 2 diabetes. Think of it this way: prediabetes is not the end, but a fresh beginning to reshape your health and your future. Food plays a central role in managing prediabetes. You don't need to go on a fad diet or eliminate all carbs. Instead, focus on making simple, sustainable adjustments to your eating habits. Start by building balanced meals. One key strategy is called the plate method. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, or peppers. 1/4 of your plate should consist of lean proteins like chicken, fish, tofu, or eggs. The remaining quarter can be dedicated to whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat bread. Avoid refined carbohydrates and sugary snacks that can cause spikes in blood sugar. This includes white bread, soda, candy, and baked goods made with white flour. Swap them for healthier alternatives like whole grain crackers, fruit, or yogurt, without added sugar. Don't forget about healthy fats. Incorporate sources like avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish, like salmon. These can help you feel fuller, longer, and they're great for your heart health. If portion control feels overwhelming, start small. Use smaller plates and measure out servings until it becomes second nature. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of hydration. Choosing water or unsweetened beverages over sugary drinks can make a huge impact on your blood sugar levels. Exercise is one of the most powerful tools for managing prediabetes. Physical activity helps your body use insulin more effectively, reducing blood sugar levels. You don't have to become a marathon runner or lift heavy weights to see results. Simple, consistent movement can go a long way. Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity 5 days a week. This could include brisk walking, which is easy on your joints and perfect for beginners. Dancing, make it fun with your favorite music. Yard work or housework like gardening or mopping. Strength, resistance training using light weights, resistance bands, or even your body weight. If 30 minutes feels daunting at first, break it into smaller sessions throughout the day. For example, take a 10-minute walk after each meal. Small steps not only add up, but also provide frequent blood sugar benefits after eating. Consistency is key. Find activities you enjoy. When exercise feels like fun, it's easier to stick to. No gym? No problem. Everyday movements like climbing stairs or stretching can still make an impact. To make informed decisions about your health, tracking your blood sugar levels can be incredibly helpful. When you monitor your levels, you gain a clear picture of how your habits, eating, activity, and even stress are affecting your prediabetes. Here's how to get started. Work with your doctor to choose a device, like a glucose meter or continuous glucose monitor, that fits your needs. Test your blood sugar at key times, including in the morning before eating, fasting levels, and 2 hours after a meal. These readings provide valuable insights into how your body is processing food. Once you gather the data, you'll notice patterns. Maybe your blood sugar spikes after eating certain foods, or dips too low if you skip a meal. Knowing these patterns helps you tweak your habits for better control. Don't let monitoring overwhelm you. It's a tool, not a judgment. Use it to empower yourself to make better choices and celebrate progress over time. Your doctor plays a vital role in helping you manage pre-diabetes. Open, honest communication is essential to create a plan that works for you. Start by sharing key risk factors that could influence your pre-diabetes. These might include a family history of diabetes, weight concerns or a higher BMI, high blood pressure or cholesterol levels, past or current health issues that could impact your risk. Ask questions. Some examples could be, what's my A1C level, and what does it mean for my risk? Should I see a dietitian or diabetes educator? What lifestyle changes would make the biggest impact for me? Additionally, consider keeping a journal of your meals, physical activity, and glucose levels to share during appointments. This can help your doctor spot patterns and refine your treatment plan. Remember, your doctor is your partner in this journey. By preparing for appointments and staying proactive, you can work together to create a tailored approach to better health. Change doesn't happen overnight, so focus on small, realistic goals that build upon one another. Start by committing to 1 or 2 changes at a time, such as swapping sugary snacks for berries or committing to a 10-minute walk each day. As these new habits become part of your routine, you can layer on new ones over time. Set reminders to drink water throughout the day. Prep healthy meals ahead of time to save yourself from last-minute temptations. Find an accountability partner or support group to share goals and motivation. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Did you choose a healthier snack today? That's progress. Did you meet your 30 minutes of movement this week? Amazing. Recognizing milestones keeps you motivated and builds momentum. Preventing type 2 diabetes is absolutely possible, but it requires action and commitment. By focusing on a balanced diet, steady movement, proper monitoring, and close collaboration with your doctor, you can transform pre-diabetes into a healthier, more confident life. These small, consistent steps don't just protect your physical health, they boost your mental well-being too. Taking control of your health gives you the power to feel stronger, more energetic, and more empowered every day. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Whether you're walking in the park, cooking a nutritious meal, or preparing for a doctor's visit, you're making progress toward a healthier you. Take the first step today. It's worth it. Your health, your future, and your happiness are in your hands.